TE Connectivity's Coolsplice connectors are suitable for splicing 22 all-wire gauge to 18 all-wire gauge solid and stranded wire in a variety of indoor and outdoor lighting, HVAC, building safety and security applications, and other electrical installations. The Coolsplice connectors eliminate the need to pre-strip insulation from the wire conductors and provide independent termination for the left and right side wires. All Coolsplice connectors allow for push-button termination using a common pair of pliers. The clear body material allows for visual inspection of the termination, and color-coded termination buttons take the guesswork out of matching wire size to appropriate connector. To learn more, visit this product page on Digi-Key.com.